John Shannon in size 50 by 83 cm round. Special treatment version 1 starts with electric diamonds that we have placed on the snowy leaves of this painting. So that is basically all the areas that you see that's white. And in this particular canvas, it is the code right arrow. So simply look for the white colored beads that you will be placing on the canvas and replace those white beads with electric diamonds, and you will get this glistening snowy effect. King of Holly by John Shannon, 50 by 83 cm round, special treatment version 2, now adds vermilion crystals that we are placing on the berries around King Holly. So these are the red crystals that we see. Simply follow what would be the berries. Now normally you would have the regular drills for the berries, but instead of using your regular drills in different shades of red, replace them with your vermilion crystals so that you get this really nice sparkly effect for the berries. This is for version 2 of King Holly. By John Shannon, special treatment in size 50 by 83 cm rounds. Version 3 special treatment now adds a whole bunch of green fluorite for all of the green areas, all of the leaves surrounding King Holly. So we've got a bunch sprinkled over here, as well as here, and then with a lot more concentrating on his face, around his eyes, his chin, cheeks, nose, and then kind of dispersed and sprinkled around him. So once again, for King of Holly special treatment version 3, we've got electric diamonds right over here for the snowy leaves, and then we've got vermilion crystals for the red berries, and finally green fluorite for the green leaves.